After testing 22 spinning reels side by side, professional anglers and gear experts have finally separated the winners from the average performers. Whether you're chasing bass on your local lake or battling redfish in saltwater, the wrong reel will cost you fish, period. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 best spinning reels you can buy right now, backed by real-world testing data and expert analysis that most reviewers won't tell you about. From budget-friendly options under $100 to premium reels that serious tournament anglers swear by, I've got you covered. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting our list at number 6, we've got the Daiwa Exceler LT, and honestly, this reel punches way above its price tag. Outdoor Life's testing team put this through the ringer, catching everything from 1-pound crappie to 40-inch muskie, and their conclusion was clear. Of all the spinning reels under $100 they tested, the Exceler LT was far and away the nicest to fish. What makes this reel special is Daiwa's LT concept, which stands for light and tough. They've managed to create a reel using carbon-light composite material that's both lighter and stronger than competitors at this price point. The air rotor design cuts weight significantly while maintaining rigidity, and the automatic tournament drag system provides smooth, consistent pressure that you normally find on reels costing twice as much. The 5+1 ball bearing system keeps retrieves silky smooth, and the machined aluminum handle gives you a solid connection to the gear. Expert reviewers noted that the drag on the Exceler LT performed higher than you'd expect from a budget reel, making it an excellent choice for finesse techniques. For anglers looking to get started without emptying their wallet, or experienced fishermen needing a reliable backup, the Daiwa Exceler LT is tough to beat. It's become a favorite among guides who need reels that can handle daily abuse without falling apart. Coming in at number 5 is the Pflueger President XT, a reel that Outdoor Life called the most well-rounded trout spinning reel around. But don't let that fool you. This thing handles everything from panfish to bass with no complaints. The President XT takes the already beloved President lineup and cranks it up a notch with some serious upgrades. The 10-bearing system provides incredibly smooth operation that rivals reels at higher price points, and anglers have been saying this for years. What really sets the XT apart is the weight reduction. The aluminum main shaft is 30% lighter than stainless steel, and the aluminum pinion gear is an astonishing 60% lighter than traditional brass gears. The carbon handle adds to the weight savings, while the rubber cork handle knob gives you excellent grip in all conditions. Fishing guides who have put thousands of hours on President reels consistently report that they hold up season after season. The drag system uses traditional oil-felt washers that provide reliably smooth performance, and the braid-ready spool means you can tie your line directly without messing with backing. For anglers in the 30 to 40 size range, the higher gear ratio really shines, burning line at 31 to 38 inches per turn. That speed matters when you're dealing with fast fish making a run toward your boat. The President XT gives you premium features without the premium price tag. At number 4, we have the Penn Battle IV, a reel that has become the gold standard for mid-priced saltwater spinning. Expert testers found this reel handled everything from 5-pound bass to 20-pound redfish without breaking a sweat, and the full metal body provides rock-solid performance that budget reels simply cannot match. The biggest upgrade on the Battle i4 is the Hydro Armor sealing system. During torture testing, where reviewers deliberately submerged the reel in salt water and sand, the internal components remained clean and corrosion-free. That's huge for anyone who fishes coastal waters regularly. The CNC machined gears are crafted from high-grade metals, providing smooth, durable performance under heavy loads. Penn's legendary HT100 carbon fiber drag washers give you consistent, powerful stopping power when that big fish decides to run. Anglers with 50-plus years of experience have noted these are some of the strongest and smoothest operating spinning reels they've used. The 5+1 sealed stainless steel bearing system keeps everything running smooth while protecting against saltwater penetration. Available in sizes from 1,000 to 1,000, the Battle IV covers everything from light inshore work to offshore applications. The Superline spool lets you tie braid directly without backing, and line capacity rings show you exactly how much line remains during a fight. For saltwater anglers who want durability without spending premium prices, the Penn Battle IV is the real deal. Number 3 on our list is the Shimano Stradic FM, winner of Best of Category for freshwater reels at ICAST. Expert reviewers who have been fishing Stradics for 15 years say this FM version is even better than previous generations, and that's saying something considering the Stradic's legendary reputation. The magic here comes from technology trickling down from Shimano's flagship Stella reels. Infinity X-Ross technology extends the gear tooth horizontally, distributing load more evenly and dramatically improving durability. The Infinity Drive system provides incredibly light rotation and increased cranking power when you're under heavy load, fighting big fish. Cold-forged Hagain gears combined with micromodule Nantu technology create what reviewers describe as butter-smooth operation. One tester reported catching stripers up to 36 inches, bluefish to 27 inches, and summer flounder without any issues. The reel stood up to everything thrown at it with no ill effects. The Duracross drag system offers the smooth performance of felt with up to 10 times the durability, which means this reel will last you years of hard fishing. Available from 1,000 to 5,000 sizes, there's a Stradic FM for every application. The X-Protect water-resistant coating keeps internals safe from the elements, making it equally capable in freshwater and inshore saltwater. For anglers who want flagship technology without flagship prices, the Shimano Stradic FM is where you need to look. At number 2, we have the Daiwa Ballistic MQ LT, winner of the 2025 ICAST Best Freshwater Reel Award. Outdoor Life's testing team gave this reel their best overall award after battling largemouth, smallmouth, lake trout, and even a 25-pound freshwater striped bass throughout an entire summer. The MQ stands for monocoque, which refers to how the reel's strength comes from its outer shell, like an eggshell. This design allows Daiwa to fit larger diameter gears inside a more compact package, resulting in dramatically improved power and torque. The Zion Vibe body is constructed of carbon fiber, making the reel remarkably lightweight, yet rigid, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Coming in at just under 7 ounces in the 2500 size, you won't have to worry about fatigue during long days on the water. Expert testers were particularly impressed by how sensitive and smooth the drag performed when fighting fish. The MagSeal technology creates a membrane of magnetic oil that prevents water, dust, and grit from penetrating the reel's inner components, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh saltwater environments. The tough DigiGear system, constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, provides optimized speed, torque, and smoothness. Anglers consistently praise the Ballistic MQ for casting distance and overall feel. At around $240, it offers premium-class performance at mid-range pricing. This is the reel that'll make you demand more Daiwa in your boat. And our number 1 pick is the Garcia Zenon MGX. Field and Stream tested over 20 freshwater-based spinning reels, and the Zenon MGX outperformed them all, taking home best overall honors. After 11 months of continuous use, their expert tester kept coming back to this reel because nothing else matched its combination of smoothness, strength, and lightweight design. At just 5.7 ounces for the 3000 size, this is approximately 30% lighter than average spinning reels, yet it remains incredibly rigid and strong. Garcia achieved this through a one-piece X-Mag magnesium alloy frame with carbon side plates, creating what might be the lightest yet strongest design available today. One brilliant feature that sets this apart is the bait holder on the cap opposite the handle, which perfectly stores drop shot weights and prevents tangles. No other reel has anything this practical for finesse anglers. The Rocket Line Management System eliminates line twitch and wind knots, and testers reported flawless performance with fluorocarbon, braid, and monofilament. The Carbon Matrix drag system is sensitive enough for precise adjustments, yet powerful enough for big fish battles. Yes, the $470 price tag is steep, making it the most expensive reel tested. But serious anglers who use spinning gear for finesse techniques consistently say this is the best they've ever used. For tournament anglers and dedicated finesse fishermen, the Garcia Zenon MGX simply cannot be topped. There you have it, the 6 best spinning reels for 2026. Remember, all product links are waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tackle reviews. Drop a comment telling me which reel caught your attention most. I read every single one. Tight lines, and I'll see you on the water.